Welcome back to the Handlebar Garden.
We got an unboxing to do. This little bitty package right here. This came today. Stay tuned to see what's inside. Ready?
Are you?
Yeah. Alright, let's get into this. I got these on Amazon, and basically I got them like that because they were cheaper than buying them otherwise, because I just wasn't 100% sure of even if I even wanted them. So here we go. Well, they're packaged tight. Ugh. Looks almost like a brick of cocaine, doesn't it? But it's not. Promise you that.
Be careful and don't cut them.
Yeah, well, that's right. It's got tape all over it. So let's just start. So that's a good starting point here. There we go. It looks like
More tape.
more tape. I got some directions here. Man, them things are wrapped up. It's not tape, it's like saran wrap. So it shouldn't be that bad. Now there's a couple places that sell these, or offer these. And like I said, I can't remember how much I gave for these, but it wasn't much. Because I was just wanting to check them out, just see if they was worth the money. And for all you people that have blowers, well, maybe want some of these. I can tell you what.
Are they breakable?
Golly, boy, they are packaged. Look at that. Oh my land. I will say this. I've never ordered anything in it packaged quite like this. And they're not breakable. There's one. And of course it's in another bag. There's two. Woo, I'm about out of breath. Right here. For y'all people who have some wet heads, limited. These
Little bitty tiny saddlebags.
little saddlebags. Just strap on there. Just pull that, I don't know what, cover, plate, whatever you want to call it, like where you get to your radiator. Pull that off, strap that on there, and it's got little places here and here and here to go right back, and that will, right there. Just some more storage. So
Yeah, you never have enough.
you never have enough storage. So that's the way they'll go. And we'll go and see if we can't go put them on and show you what they look like. That's it. Alright, where these are going to go, right there. I don't think it'll be too bad. What you got to do is you got to get this panel off. I got this little thing to here. I like to protect stuff if I can. So you can put that in there. You just give that a, right there, little pop. Little pop. And you get back our hand on the last one. Said you could. Yeah. Had them off before and it worked just fine. Like that. this time though, not as easy. There we go. So that's what you got basically. You didn't know that's where radiator's at. And basically you're gonna stretch that over that. How it's gonna work, get that big, we haven't figured that out yet, so we're just getting this off. But you know that goes in there. And it did say to follow and read all the instructions before you even started. And I can tell you right now, it's gonna be
It'll be a snug fit, ain't it?
super tight. So, and you know that's probably a good thing, right? You wouldn't want it loose on there. Wow. Yeah, it's gonna be super tight. All right. Mike and me got over there and laid them on the table. And you just basically got to stretch and pull and get it, which that's good. It's good and tight, good and snug. As you can see right there how it works. And then you got a little piece of Velcro you put there. And then all you would do at that point, snap it into place. And it's there. Yeah. A little more storage, you know. And right there's going to be in the way. But put your bubble gum in there, or
Chapstick.
sunshade, or sunscreen, and I mean that's it. Don't look too bad. I mean you just can't have enough storage, so as of right now, I mean I like them. I don't see how they would come off. So I think I give like $17 for them. So not a bad deal, you know. I don't think. And of course you do the same thing the other side. We'll let you know if we have any issues with them. They're not going to be waterproof because I mean they've got, you know, you can see right down in the cracks there. So, but I didn't figure they'd be waterproof anyway by the pictures. But looks pretty neat and simple stuff. All right, we took the other side off, started putting it on there, and was questioning it. So if you put that on just like it says, it goes on the back just like this. Here, it's upside down. So they have sewed this on backwards, wrong. So it should be setting like this. But you can see your two holes up here. So it's wrong. So we'll probably be sending them back unless I decide to just keep it for one on one side, which, you know, I don't know. I'd have, when that one wears out, I've got another one.
Well,
No,
it's
it wouldn't.
still upside down.
It's still upside down. Well, that was done, wasn't it? Anyway, welcome to Handlebar Garden. Anyway, that's how we roll. And
So, first impression of a product review is they don't have any quality control.
it's a fail. It is an absolute fail on their part. And so, yeah. Anyway, I guess it all comes down to, I mean, the quality seems to be, well, I guess the quality sucks. But anyway, the overall looks and I like of them, I do. But this is just wrong. That's all you can say about it. It's wrong. Anyway, hope this makes up your mind. It's made up mine. So y'all have a good one. And we'll see you next time.